go. This car is full too. We almost crashed. We can't see anything right now. Go to the nearest. Oh my. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, we can't see anything right now, and the thing isn't working. Quickly, move there. Move there.
Haval H6.
Haval H6 isn't working. The windshield isn't working. Quickly, turn.
The Wi-Fi is not working in the Haval H6. This is the 7th, 8th time, and I'm in the middle of the road. I had to pull over. See this bullshit car, and I've told them many times. They've changed this, that, and this is the 5th, 6th time already changing. Nothing. Middle of the road is not working. Very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. In the middle of the road, I'm stopping in the bus lane.
Bus comes in.
Trying so hard. It's not working. Not working.
Oh, just quickly go park before
Look
bus
at this.
comes
Look
and
at
hits
this.
you.